on the 18th of July 2025. Was it Vaakonraitti or?
Vaakonraitti.
Vaakonraitti. Forest tickets B. You can also watch this tickets here. It's also in Haapalinna. Tampere tämä Forest. Big one, big one, Finland. The best is Ford was 3 to 5 rooms. By the way, it's 5 floors, I'm sorry, and it was built in 1997. And it's likely at the beginning of 1997 because it says 95 on the glass and there's 068,734. To the right, of course.
Yeah. Is dit pakje waar je speelt met en bij zo'n hisurakointi?
Nobody's coming.
Yeah.
And back to the ground. So that's it. Thank you very much. You can also watch this tickets here.
That's